Go see what it
It's kind
is.
of scary. I'm gonna put it right here. There you go.
Okay, open it up. Open it up the rest of the way.
Come open it up, Britta.
No, I can't do it. I'm moving.
Okay, Josh, you open it up.
Okay.
Oh, it looks terrifying.
Get me up here.
Look at how little it
Can't
is.
get you anywhere.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
He probably needs to potty.
Oh, come here. Hi.
Okay, here we go, guys. Come on down. Come on down. What's in here? Is Dad in here?
Dad? Dad.
Oh my God.
Is that a dog?
Oh,
Is that ours?
that's your dog.
No! Stop! Stop! Dad! We got a dog!
Oh
We
my
got a dog!
gosh.
We got a dog! Stop! 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 That's so true! Did we get a dog? Did we get a dog?
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. What gift to give them to make them happy is definitely the age-old question every Christmas. And this video was created to give you the most accurate answer.
Okay, so this is your 15th hug.
I want to record you opening.
Yeah, I know.
15.
It's Huxley.
You know who that is?
That's Amber.